Right. How to accept input from the user. Right. Shravanti, come on. Answer for the question. How to accept input from the user. Shravanti.
We can get it from method.
What is that method? By using?
Readline method.
By using console method. Console dot readline.
Readline. Here, what is console? What is readline?
Console is a class.
Readline is a predefined method.
Readline is the method.
Console is the class. Readline is the method. Okay. Now, Shravanti, tell me what is the functionality of readline? What is the functionality of readline? Maximum people.
It is holding the command prompt window until user press the enter.
Okay. Sammy, come on, tell me. Explain about readline.
Yes, sir.
Explain about readline. Come on. Tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, explain about readline method functionality.
Yeah, readline method is a predefined class, member method of class console class, and it will hold the output window and will accept the input.
I didn't get a proper answer from you. I want a clear answer what I explained yesterday. Okay, now anybody can explain. I want a beautiful and a smart answer. Should be like when you are throwing a stone, so it should hit the mango. Mango has to drop or should not drop.
Has to
Like that you have to throw the stone. Okay. Now Poonam, explain about readline method.
Readline is a predefined method declared by which was declared by Microsoft. It's of console class, and its main functionality is to hold the command prompt window until the user press the enter key, and it's also other functionality to take the input from the user.
Okay. Now, yes. But even though I didn't get proper answer from you also, I'm not happy. Right, Uma, now you give the answer. Readline.
Yes, sir. Readline is a predefined method of a console class, and this method will accept input from the user until the user presses the enter key. Once user press the enter key, this method will return that accepted value as a string. Because readline method return type will be a string.
Absolutely correct. That is the difference between BTech student and non-BTech student. Uma is non-BTech and remaining people are BTech student. Because the problem is the points you are not considering. You are just roughly giving the answer. You know everything, but just you are giving answer like that. Statement what you are giving should be accurate. Okay, fine. So finally the method will return accepted value as a string because the method return type, you can observe the screen console.readline. You can observe the screen. Readline method return type is a string. Readline method return type is a string. Readline method return type is string. Okay. So even though I can show you the IntelliSense, in IntelliSense you can observe readline method return type is string. So whatever value will return, whatever value will enter, it will return as a string. And as well as yesterday we have written couple of programs. One program I have written and 1-2 programs I asked you, and we'll write now some task now. Yes, what is that you know? Yeah, write a console program. Listen to accept, to observe all of you, to accept, to yes. Yeah. Now we have written what are the tasks I have given. What is the homework to you? First task is what? To accept to
First name, last name, location.
First name, last
first name and the last name
Last name and location.
and location from
name.
the user and display okay, display. This I was expecting. So yeah, actually whenever you want to write a program, I'm going to show you different angle now onwards. You observe the different angle is what you know. So generally blindly we'll write the program first name, last name, location, except and display to the user. But before writing the program, you should analyze the OP. OP means expectable output is what exactly? What is the expectable output for this requirement? That is called OP. You have to design the OP properly for the requirement always. So how, sir? Don't write the code blindly now onwards, guys. I'm introducing a new thing you observe. Simple. Suppose this is your task, means your requirement. This is your task, nothing but your requirement. Your requirement. So for this requirement, your output, you have to design. What is how to become a good programmer? Follow this. So this is your requirement. For this requirement, client has given this requirement. So don't start the code immediately. Instead of that, you do what you know like this. Okay, for this requirement, the expectable output is you should design. You should design. You should design. How you should design? You see, right? How you should design. What should be going to write the program should be designed. How you have to design. You see. So you see OP. Yes. Okay. Enter first name, enter first name. Let's say user entered Rama is the first name. Okay. Now store this Rama into a variable called fname. Fname. Fname variable type is what? String. Fname variable type is what? String. That Rama has to stored into a variable called fname. Next enter last name. Enter last name. And last name is Rao. You entered Rao. Rao you store into a variable called lname. Lname. Okay. Rao you store into a variable called lname. Should be string. Should be string. Enter symbol this is. Next enter location. Enter location. Right. Let's say you entered location as Hyderabad. This should be stored into a variable called LOC. LOC should be string. Okay. Now hide should be stored in this variable. Now after that output should be like your first name is your first name is your first name is Rama. Rama. That means you should design all these things even though it is a small program before writing the code in the main method. Okay. So my suggestion to all the people, use pen and paper and design your solution like this. Then convert this design into program. Your first name is Rama, but Rama is coming from a variable called fname. Next, your last name is what is the last name? Rao. Rao. Rao is coming from this variable. Next, your location is Hyderabad. Your location is Hyderabad. And move the cursor to next line. Move the cursor to next line. Yes. So this is the story about this program. This is the requirement. You have to design like this. Then after keeping this paper in front of you, you people have to write the program. See, it is a small requirement. Then you will get a feel that, sir, why you are asking me to do all these things? Blindly I will write the code. So every journey will start with one step. Similarly, to become a good programmer, today you will have the requirement is a small requirement. So day by day the requirements are increasing. But better to have this type of what is that, plan. So a constructing a house with plan. Constructing a house with plan. First plan, second construction. Second construction. Constructing a house without plan. Even though if you will have this design and program, you will get accurate. without this design and you will go for a program is constructing a house without plan. So that is the reason my advice to all the people, follow this now onwards. So whenever you are designing, writing a program, you should follow this. Okay guys, right now, right, okay. Now, yeah, we will write the code, and after write the code, we will see tracing also is very important. Now, yes, command for this requirement, we will write the program. Now you see first name, last name, and location. Yes. Now, right. Vinil, tell me the code. Vinil, tell me the code. Vinil.
Console dot write line. Yes, sir. Same.
Dot right line. Tell me.
Enter first name.
Enter first name. Okay. Right. Next, tell me.
String first name. F name. Yes. Equal to console dot write line.
Console dot read line. Console
Read
dot.
line.
No, next, come on.
Console dot write line. Enter last name.
Console dot right line. Mute your recordings will get disturbed. Enter. What is that? Last
Enter
name.
last name.
Enter last name. Come on. Enter
String
last.
L name.
Enter last name. Right. Come on. Tell me.
String last name. That is the L name. Equal to console dot read line.
Console dot read line. Right.
Read line.
Next. Come on.
Console dot write line.
Console dot right line.
Enter location.
Enter location. Come on.
String LOC equal to console dot read line.
Enter location. String LOC equal to what is that? Console
Dot read line.
okay.
Next console dot read line.
Console dot
Your first name is.
your first name.
First name is plus F name. We have to give this.
Yeah. Sorry.
Or something.
Right. Yeah. F name.
F name.
Variable name.
Yeah. Yes.
Concatenation.
Yeah. Very good.
Ah.
Yeah. Concatenation. Console dot write line. Write line. This last name. Your last name.
Next.
Console dot write line. Your location is. Plus concatenation. Console dot read line.
This is the program you have to write. Okay. Now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. Have you written already code?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yesterday I have written and I sent a mail to you.
Okay. Good. Right. Right. Somebody are having.
Sir, I am.
1 minute. 1 minute.
I am muting, sir. I am getting disturbance.
Yeah.
In my.
Fine. Mute. Immediately mute. Right. Come on.
Yeah, yes.
Chari, are you getting voice? Chari, are you getting voice? Okay, fine. We'll trace the program. Next, right, we'll trace. So the steps are, step 1 is designing. Step 1 is designing OP, what I have done till the on my pen board. Step 2 is program. Step 3 is tracing. All of you guys, you take pen and paper. Take pen and paper and trace this code. Take pen and paper, trace this code. Trace this code means line by line execution. Line by line execution. Don't trace in Visual Studio. Left side keep your code. Right side with the help of pen and paper trace it. Trace it. The tracing is very important. Giving 2 minutes time to all the people. You people have to trace the code like how I was tracing yesterday. Okay? Means I think you may neglect, but the tracing will be helpful for next level concept called typecasting. So, so whether you are doing or not, but don't try to cheat me. You are cheating yourself if you are not doing, because it is very, very important activity in programming. Who are able to trace a program can become a good programmer, no doubt about that. So, let me show you the tracing now. Instead of Visual Studio.NET, tracing on paper will be excellent, like will give excellent output for us. So what is the tracing? Now you see, when you run this application, I'm showing you guys, observe the screen properties. Let me change the colors, background white and text color black. Okay, okay, now, yes, I'm sorry, right, now again, right. Mhm. 1 minute, 1 minute. Background white, text color black. Right. Now we will see, whenever you run this application, program execution starts by main method. Okay, and in this main method, let me minimize the OPI window. Right. Now you observe, you can, but actually you have to do like this. Right side pen and paper, left side your code. Then you will get excellent tracing. Okay. Now you see, right line method is executed. Enter first name and moving the cursor to next line. After this, at present my question to, yes, Renuka, now in my program which statement is executing? Now in my program which statement is executing? Right.
Second statement, sir.
Second statement. In second statement, which part of the statement is executing?
RHS.
RHS, very good. Nothing but read line. What read line
Yes,
is
sir.
doing? Holding the command prompt window. Holding the command prompt window. Okay, so it is waiting for user input. User entered Rama. Rama is entered by the user, accepted by the read line, and once user pressed enter, Rama will be returning as what value? String value. Rama will be returned in the RHS. You will have a string value called Rama. And after this, LHS will execute. LHS will create a variable. Next assignment will execute. Rama will be assigned into a variable called fname. Next, after this, control will execute console.writeLine, enter last name and printing the value and moving the cursor to next line. After this, control will execute again readline. This time the readline is holding the command prompt window. User entered a value called Ravu and the readline is accepting. Once you press enter, Rav will be returning as a string, and the next after this, control will execute LHS. LHS will create a variable and will be assigning Rav into LName. And next, console.writeLine, enter your location, printing and moving the cursor to next line. Next, control is executing this read line. This read line is holding the command prompt window. Suppose user entered hi. Once you press enter, read line will return this hi as a string. Again, LHS will execute LOC variable and hide will be assigning into LOC. After this, control will execute a statement called console.writeLine. Writeline, your first name is fname, nothing but what is that, Rama, and moving the cursor to next line. and console.writeLine. Your last name is L name, and that is raw, and moving the cursor to next line. And console.writeLine, your location is LOC, nothing but Hyderabad, and moving the cursor to next line. And console.readline, which is holding the command prompt window until user will press an enter key. Right. So this is the program. You have to trace like this. So are you able to trace like this, all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next task what I have given yesterday. Come and tell me.
Employee name and designation.
Write a console program to accept to employee name. Come on. Employee name
And designation.
and designation
Display.
from the user
From the user and display.
and display. Write a console program to accept employee name and designation from the user and display. Okay. So for this, what is the expectable OP? First, we have to find the expectable OP. We have to design again employee name and designation from the user and display. So how to do this? So this also you have to design like this. What is the design here? Right? Yeah. Now, yes, the designing should be like OP. Yeah. Enter employee name. Enter employee name. Suppose user entered employee name as Rama. Store Rama into a variable called ename. But ename type is string. And after this, enter designation. Enter designation. For example, software engineer is entered by the user. Right. E designation is a variable. The variable type is string, and that value is assigned, that is called software engineer. And your name is, output should be employee name is what is that employee name? Rama is coming from this variable. Next, designation is value is coming from this variable. The value is called software engineer. For this program you have to write the code. So how to write the code? Let's see, guys. Okay, now we are going to write the code for this. Right, come on. Right, yes. Almost a similar program and simple program. Come on, what is that? Console dot write line. Come on, tell me. Right.
Enter employee name.
Right, enter employee name. Now, yes, this time.
String.
1 minute. Right. Yeah, Shaker, tell me the code. Shaker, tell me the code. Shaker, Shiva Kumar, tell me the code. Shiva.
S name equal to string E name equal to string E name
equal to
console dot read
line. Okay. Next.
console dot write line. Enter the designation. String E designation equal to
1 minute. Enter designation and come on.
string E desig equal to console dot read line.
Right. Okay.
Console dot read line. console.writeLine.
Hmm.
Employee name is plus ename.
Okay. Now.
Console.writeLine. Console.writeLine.
Hmm.
Designation is plus edesig. Console.readline.
Last statement should be considered relevant. Okay.
Console.readline.
Right. When you run this application, program execution starts by main method. How this code is executing, you observe. Yeah. Right. First to write line statement will print the value and move the cursor to next line. After this, control will execute RHS. This RHS will be executing read line. Now read line is holding. Now user entered Rama. Once you press the enter, it will return Rama is a string, and after that LHS will execute. LHS will create a variable and Rama will be stored into this variable. Next, console.writeLine, enter a designation, and it will print enter designation and move the cursor to next line. Next, after this, control will execute console.readline. This readline is holding the command prompt window, and user entered a value called software engineer that is entered by the user and accepted by the readline method, and once you press enter, it will return as a string and again will create a variable called edesignation, and that software engineer will be assigned into edesignation. Next, write line employee name is ename, that is what Rama, and move the cursor to next line. Next, console.writeLine employee designation is software engineer, so it will print software engineer and move the cursor to next line. This is the story. Now we are going to the next level now. Okay, what is the next level? You observe. I'm giving you the requirement and write the code. Write the code. Try to write the code. Task for you. Write a console program to accept name of the user and age of the user and display like below. Like this. Enter your name. User entered Rama. Enter your age. User entered 20. Your name is Rama. Your age is 20. Come on, write the code for this. Right. You try this program in Visual Studio directly, and before writing the program, my advice is first to OP, design OP, next program. Come on. How many got output?
I got, sir.
This is Uma. Anybody else?
I got
Sami sir.
You got output. Okay. Next. Giri got output. Renuka got output. Okay, fine. Okay. I'll do one thing. Right. So you are telling you got output. Let me write the code. Then you tell me, you guide me when I'm writing the code. Who got the output? Right. Uma, tell me the code.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Hmm.
Console.writeLine.
So
Enter your age.
name. Enter your name.
Sorry, enter your name. Yeah, I'm sorry. Enter your name.
Hmm.
String name
Okay.
equals to console.readline.
Mm. Mm.
console dot write line,
Mm.
enter your age.
Mm. Mm.
Console dot string age
Mhm.
equals to console dot read line.
Mhm. Mm.
Console dot write line, enter your age
Mm.
plus,
But
enter your name plus
your name,
name.
your name is not
Your
entering.
name plus name.
Mm. Mm.
Console dot write line,
Mm.
your age
Mm.
plus age.
Mm.
Console dot read line.
Mm.
Console dot read line.
Installer read line. Okay. Uh-huh. Installer read line. Okay. Right. So now, but actually the problem is, according to our discussion, age is what data, Uma? Numerical or the floating data?
It's a numerical, sir.
Numerical. But you declared age as what type variable?
Oh, string.
But according to our
Yeah,
discussion, it is a numerical. In numerical also,
numerical. You can,
is it signed or unsigned?
it is unsigned.
It is unsigned. So then age should be what?
Byte.
Int,
Int.
Byte.
byte, sir, byte.
Age is a unsigned.
Byte.
Unsigned also, there are how many unsigned data types are there, Uma?
There are four, sir.
What are they?
Byte,
Mm-hmm.
U short,
Okay.
U int, and U long.
Now when we will go for byte?
When you have a positive values,
No, my question is when you will go for,
when it is from, the range is from 0 to 255. Is
then
that what it is?
age is starting from 0 and where
0 to
maximum age is what, 150
150.
worst case.
Yeah, so you
Then
can go
age should be what type?
byte.
You also change your code it as byte.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Then any problem?
Yes. Implicit conversion.
Now here, now my question is, yeah, in this code, you are getting some error, showing some error. It is showing some error. Question is, Urmil, question to you. Get ready. When I say your name, immediately unmute all of you guys. Let's go with yeah. Right. Shekhar. Uh, what is the problem in this line? Shekhar.
Can I say?
1 minute, 1 minute. Seventy, what is the problem in this line?
You don't know that.
Problem. No, next.
Sir, read line.
Ramoda. Kalyani available.
Read line returns a string value.
Where are you, man? Urmil, up to here. Are you there? No. Urmil only.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
happened? Are you cooking?
yeah, okay. Yeah.
No, don't do all the activities. At the time of class is going on, concentrate only class. All of you guys, please do it because I know it is your dinner time, but class is also important now. Right. Come on now. Here, what is the problem, Urmil?
Read line returns string value by default, and here you have defined byte.
Hmm. So what?
It will not show the value.
So what? Tell me.
Data types are changed.
So, Vinil, what is the
String
problem? Vinil.
string value will be not stored into the
Right.
numerical.
Readline method will return 20. Actually, what is happening, listen all of you guys. In this line, you are getting a problem. Enter your age. You will enter 20. 20 will be entered by the user. The person user will enter 20. Readline also will accept this 20. Readline will accept this 20. But readline method will return that 20 as double quotes 20. Readline method will return that 20 as double quotes 20. That double quotes 20, why it is returning double quotes 20? Why it is returning double quotes 20? Because
Because it
Because
has to
read
return
line
the
format
string.
is string.
the method return type is string. So it will, whatever value you give to readline method, it will return as a string value. String value means with the double quotes. String value means with double quotes. That string value. So finally RHS contain double quotes 20. But LHS created a variable. What is the name of the variable? Age. But age type is what? Byte. RHS is what value? String value. LHS value type is what? Byte. String value you are trying to assign into numerical data type variable called byte. So here what is the problem? Match or mismatch?
Mismatch, sir.
Match.
Mismatch. Then you have to convert from which type to which type?
String
that-
to integer.
String to double quotes
Byte or
20.
integer type.
Double quotes 20. String to byte.
Integer or byte.
String to
Byte.
byte. String to byte. So that's why you have to convert from string to byte. Okay guys. So to achieve this, we have to go for a concept called to avoid this to overcome this problem. We have to go for a concept called
Typecasting.
typecasting. You have to go for a concept called typecasting, type conversion. Okay, right. So in this situation, we will go for a concept called typecasting. Okay. Now here the question is, you want to convert from which type to which type?
From string to integer. From string to byte.
String to
String to
byte.
byte.
Convert from string to byte. Okay. So similarly, I'll give you one more requirement. Okay. Yes. The task is, in this situation, we'll go for type conversions. Right. Task for you. Write a console program to accept to person height and display to the user. Display to the user. OP. OP is what? Enter your height. And he entered 5.8 is out. Is output. Your height is 5.8. Your height is 5.8. Come on, try this program, guys. Getting output or error?
Error, sir.
Error.
Error,
Sir.
sir.
So dot right line. Enter your height.
Enter your height.
Enter your height. So now you can observe. Right. Height should be what type?
Double.
Float.
Height. Maximum percent
It's a
how much?
Float. Actually, we will be using the float.
Maximum
double.
757 or 8. So float only. Small amount, right? Float
Float.
height equal to console
Control
dot
of
read line.
Yeah.
Console dot read line. Yes. And it's a console dot write line. Yes.
Your height is
Is your height is height. Your height is height. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Again same problem. Right line. Enter your height. Printing. Console dot read line is accepting your height. You entered 5.8. It will accept 5.8 as a floating data, but it will return as
string.
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 Double quotes
String.
5.8. Double quotes 5.8. It will return, read line method will return 5.8 with the double quotes. 5.8 with the double quotes. LHS will create what? Variable. And 5.8 will be assigning into height, trying to assign. String value you are trying to assign into float variable. Match or mismatch?
Mismatch, sir.
Mismatch. That's why you are getting an error. In this type of situation also you have to go for a concept called
Typecasting.
Casting.
My question to
Parsing.
all the people is, here you want to convert from which type to which type?
From string to
String to
float.
float.
Float. In our previous program, we have to convert from which type to which type?
From string to
Into
byte.
byte.
To
String to
byte.
Here what is the error
string to
message?
byte.
Cannot
Cannot
convert
implicitly
string
String
convert
to
to
float.
from
float.
Compile
string
time
to
error or
float.
runtime error?
Compile time error.
Compile
Compile time.
Well then.
syntax wise it has an issue. Now what is
Yes.
the error message?
Cannot
Cannot
implicitly
convert
convert from string to float.
What is the error message?
Cannot implicitly convert string to float.
Yes, let me show. Let's check. Compilation. You got error. See the error message. Copy and paste. Cannot implicitly
Implicitly
convert
convert.
type string to float. Who are giving this error message?
Compiler.
Compiler. Compiler. Okay. Now, my question is, same way we have written small program just now. In that, enter your age. Enter your age. Now, byte age equal to console dot
Console dot
write
read line.
relay and console dot write line. Your age is your age is your age is age age. Okay, your age is age. Here, my here what you are getting error. What is the error message?
We cannot get
Cannot implicitly convert
Hmm.
the
into
type
byte.
from string to float. Sorry, string to byte.
into byte.
String to byte, yeah.
Byte. Cannot implicitly convert a type string to byte. String to byte because here string to byte. Okay, guys. So like that, whenever you whenever you see a statement, whenever it is giving an error, you are able to tell the error message. Enter your phone number. Enter your phone number. Right. Tell me what is the statement here? Come on.
You long.
Too long.
Too long.
You long.
HNO.
Phone number.
Console dot
Console dot read line.
console dot read line. Yes. Console dot write line. Your phone number is your phone number is PHNO.
Plus phone.
Special. Now my question to all the people, error or no error?
Error, sir.
Error.
Well, what is the error message?
Cannot
String too long.
specify string
String
too
to
long.
you long.
String to long.
You long.
You long.
String to long. Okay, who are giving this error?
Compiler.
Compiler, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, like that whenever you are able to see the program, immediately you are able to see the output, whether output is right output, wrong output. With wrong output, what is the error? Error message. Why error? What is error message? Next, enter your enter your ATM pin. Enter your ATM pin. Yes. Enter your ATM pin. Type.
You long.
You int. You int.
ATM pin. How many
You
digits?
int.
4 digits.
Int, sir. You int.
You int.
Mhm, mhm. Holding. I think you shot. No, huh?
Yeah,
You in
you
sir.
went, sir.
I think you shot 4 bytes. No, sorry, four digits maximum 4 digits. Again, what is the error message?
String to U short.
Cannot convert
Cannot implicitly convert type
into
string to U short.
U short. Okay, like this. In all these situations, to overcome all these situations, we will go for a concept called typecasting. Go for a topic called typecasting. Now, next the question is, somebody will ask a question. When we will go for typecasting? When we will go for typecasting? The question is, when we will go for typecasting? What is your answer?
And compiler will show the error.
Anyone?
When
When we
Whenever we want to store the value,
convert from one data type to another data type. Then we can
whenever
testing.
we want to
Assign.
assign one type
Assign.
value into another type
to
variable.
our
Whenever,
variable.
listen, whenever we want to assign one type value, one data type value into another data type variable, Whenever we want to assign one data type value into another data type variable, we will go for typecasting. For example, you are assigning string value into byte variable. For example, you are trying to assign string value into float variable. For example, you are trying to assign string value into long variable, short variable. In all these situations, we'll go for a concept called typecasting. Okay. So, uh, so task for you is for today. Task for you is now onwards. Task is not sometimes the topic what we are going to discuss. Prepare one article on typecasting with the handwritten notes and send it to me. Okay, right. And as well as tomorrow we do console.write and
enter your